For example, we are going to take the noun gari. Gari, you can see it is not starting with G, but in plural it must have ma. It will become magari. Gari, magari. Karibu tena katika ufalme wa Kiswahili. Kama jamii tunasaidiana kukikuza na kukiimarisha Kiswahili chetu kwa sababu tunaamini experts were once beginners. Na wewe pia uko njiani kuwa mmoja wetu kuongea Kiswahili kama mwenyeji. Kwa hiyo nakusihi tafadhali subscribe hapo chini ili uweze kupata video kutoka Swahili Kingdom kila mara tunapo upload video hapa kwenye YouTube. Sawa sawa, asante sana kwa kujiunga katika hii jamii yetu. Kila laheri kwa masomo yako katika Kiswahili. And today we are learning about the Swahili Demonstrative Pronouns. I'm going to tell you 6 Swahili Demonstrative Pronouns of the 6 most important noun classes in Swahili. Which are the most important noun classes in Swahili? Starting with awa, kivi, lia, easy, ui, and so they are 5 most important. They are not 6, 5 most important. But of course there are other noun classes in Swahili, though these 5 will give you a great head start. Okay, my name is Connie. I speak 6 languages, and welcome again to Swahili Kingdom. Let's learn together. Okay, so we are going to start with the awa noun class. What is an awa noun class? An awa noun class is a noun class that has all the living things. No matter what, all the living things are in the awa noun class. Be it a person, be it an insect, the biggest living thing is in the awa noun class, and the smallest living thing is in the awa noun class. Be it a person, an insect, whatever, anything that has breath is in the awa noun class, and it is the most important noun class. Okay, I'm going to pin a video for you at the end of this video for noun classes if you want to understand more about noun classes. But I'm going to mention things about each noun class as I continue in this video for you to understand better. I believe it's going to help you. If it's not, if not big time, maybe however it's going to help you, I just believe that it's going to help you anyhow. Okay, so as I have said, the awa noun class is for living things only. That's it. And why is it called the awa noun class? Because in singular of sentences, they must start with a, and the plural must start with a. For example, let's use mtoto. Mtoto is a child. A child is a living thing. So we are going to say mtoto analala. Lala is to sleep. Mtoto analala. The child is sleeping. The plural will be watoto wanalala. So you can see a nalala and wa nalala. Hence the noun class was called awa noun class. What are the demonstrative pronouns that are used in the awa noun class? We have huyu for singular. You are writing. Are you writing down? Write it down. We have huyu for singular and hawa for plural. For example, we are going to say mtoto huyu, this child, and watoto hawa, these kids. Right now, don't bother about the plural of mtoto, the singular or the plural of mtoto. Just check the descriptive pronouns. Okay? We have huyu, mtoto huyu, this child, watoto hawa, huyu hawa. You got it? Okay, let's go to the next. The next one is the kivi noun class. Kivi noun class. The kivi noun class is one of the most important noun classes after awa. Why? Again, because it is very simple. How is it simple? Because most of its nouns start with ki in singular and v in plural. Simple, right? Ki in singular, v in plural. For example, kiti. What is the plural? It will be viti. Ki in singular, v in plural. Okay? And it also has other nouns that start with cha in singular and via in plural. Cha in singular and via in plural. So nouns that are starting with ki or v or ki or cha in singular are in the Kivi noun class, or nouns that are starting with V or via in plural are in the Kivi noun class. Which demonstrative pronouns does Kivi use? We have hiki and hivi. Hiki for singular and hivi for plural. For example, kiti hiki, this chair. Plural, viti hivi, these chairs. Kiti hiki, viti hivi. As I have told you, don't bother about the singular and the plural of the noun. Right now we are looking at the demonstrative pronouns, which is hiki, hivi, kiti hiki, viti hivi. You've got it? Let's go to the next noun class. The next noun class is the Lia noun class. One of the biggest noun classes in Swahili as well. And it is quite simple. Okay? Lia noun class. Which nouns are in this noun class? I'm going to start with that. The most easy way to know a Lia noun class is identifying nouns that start with G in singular. G in singular. And the plural must start with ma. That's why sometimes it is called the G-ma noun class. Okay? But not all nouns in the Lia noun class start with G. There are other nouns that start with any letter that you can find in the vowel, except for ki and cha. Okay? There are words that start with any letter that you can find in the, not vowel, in the consonants alphabet. Okay? But the plural must have ma. That's a requirement. It must have ma. So that's how you identify a noun in the Lia noun class. And in sentence formation, the sentence must have li in singular and ya in plural. For example, we are going to take the noun gari. Gari, you can see it is not starting with G, but in plural it must have ma. It will become magari. Gari, magari. Okay, it is not starting with G, but it is in the Lia noun class. So we are going to say gari limeondoka. Kuondoka is to leave. So gari limeondoka, the vehicle has left. Magari yameondoka, the vehicles have left. Ya, limeondoka, yameondoka. Which descriptive pronoun do we use here? Gari hili. Gari hili. Magari haya. So we have hili in singular and haya in plural. Hili in singular and haya in plural. Let's go to the next noun class, which is the easy noun class. Easy noun class. The easy noun class is quite important because it starts with the place where you are living in. The house you are living in is in the easy noun class. Okay, so the easy nouns in the easy noun class, most of the time they say they are constructed things. Okay, that is just one of the things. They are constructed things. For example, a house is constructed. Okay, a house is constructed. It is in the easy noun class. You can think of other things that are constructed and comment down below. We see if they are in the easy noun class. Okay? The most important way to see if a noun is in the easy noun class is by forming a sentence in the singular and plural. When you form a sentence, it starts with E in singular and Z in plural. For example, nyumba imejengwa. Jengwa is to be constructed. Okay, so nyumba imejengwa means a house has been constructed. The plural will be nyumba zimejengwa. I don't know if you have noted something, but in this noun class there is no singular or plural. Like the nouns are just constant, they are like that. Nyumba, nyumba. Nyumba imejengwa, nyumba zimejengwa. Easy. That's how you identify an easy noun class. Let's go to the descriptive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns. Sorry. So we are going to say nyumba hii. Nyumba hii. H-double-I. Nyumba hii. Plural, nyumba hizi. Nyumba hii. Focus on the demonstrative pronouns. Nyumba hii. Nyumba hizi. he in singular, hizi in plural. I believe you have got that. Now let's go to the last important noun class. U-E noun class. It is sometimes called the me noun class. We are going to see that. We are going to see why it's called like that sometimes as we continue with the video. But OE noun class, or a me noun class as it is commonly known, it's a noun class that is known for trees. It's a noun class that has plants and trees most of the time, but it has other small noun classes as well that don't belong in plants and trees. But most commonly, all plants and trees belong to the UE noun class. But you might find some don't belong there, but most of them belong there. Okay? So that's why it's called ngeli ya miti, the noun class of trees, ngeli ya miti. Okay? But it doesn't mean that all the trees, everything, all the plants belong there. Okay? Yeah, so that's how you easily identify that noun class. Okay? And you can also identify in another way, making sentences. Let's use mti, a tree. We are going to say mti ulianguka, a tree fell down. Mti ulianguka. The plural will be miti ilianguka. You can see it is ulianguka, ilianguka, ui. Mti ulianguka, miti ilianguka. Which are the demonstrative pronouns that we use here? We are going to have mti hu, miti hi. Who in singular and he in plural. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope now you know the demonstratives in the 5 common noun classes that we have in Swahili. Awa, kivi, lia, easy, and ui. I hope you now know them. Okay? The summary is going to be written there for the descriptives, for the demonstrative pronouns in those 5 noun classes. It's going to be written there. So they are 10 in total, singular, plural, singular, plural. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this video and you have learned something from this video. As I said, if you want to know more about noun classes, kindly go watch this video that is suggested at the end of this video that you are watching, and know much more things about the noun classes in Swahili, how you can identify them more. There's a video that I have made that is dedicated only to the noun classes. I've not mentioned it the way I have mentioned them here, but I have said everything about the noun classes, each noun class. Okay, and I believe we have around 9 noun classes in Swahili. Yeah, so you're going to get a lot in that video. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, and comment anything down there. If this video needs any improvement, if you have a question, you liked this video, any comment that you have, just write it there. We are going to appreciate. I am going to appreciate it, and other people are going to learn from it. We are going to correct our errors as well from your comments. So it is very important. Don't forget to share with your friend who is learning Swahili to know these things. It is very important as well, because many students struggle with demonstrative pronouns in Swahili. I have seen it with the students that I teach, and I have seen it with other students here on YouTube as well, and that's why I decided to address this problem. If you want to support me financially, there is a link for buy me a coffee down there. You can buy me a coffee, if you want to learn Swahili, you want a course, there's a link for courses down there as well. Or you can email me at learnswahiliwithconnie@gmail.com, or the email that you'll find there on YouTube. And I'll see you in the next video for noun classes. Kwaheri.